My next game will be the calendar counting game. And you can have your students count the number of Sundays in the month, the number of Saturdays in the month, the number of holidays that are in the month. They can count the number of days that's in the month. And if you have birthdays in your classroom, they can count the number of students that have birthdays. My next game will be to the poem Hickory Dickory Dock. So hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 12, and you will move your clock to 12 o'clock. Have the students say what time they would like for it to be on. So hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck 3, and you'll move your time to 3 o'clock. This is also teaching your students how to tell time. The next game will be Counting the Ocean's Mini Book. Counting the Ocean's Mini Book. You can cover up the number 1, and the students can count the number of marine life that they see in the picture. So for this one, it has 1 octopus, and it will put the number 1. They can write the number 1, and this also can go home with them, where they can count the number of sea animals that's on their pictures. The next game will be the bone matching game. So each child will get their own necklace. And if you have 20 students in the classroom, you will have 2 sets of 10s in the classroom of the same colors and the same numbers. So for instance, this child will have on a blue bone, a black bone, and a green bone. And they will go around the classroom to find their partner. Once they have found their partner, then them and their partner can go have a seat on a rug or stand somewhere. So everyone has found their partners. My next game will be the transportation game. And this is transportation patterns. So for instance, this one has a motorbike, a blue car, a yellow car, a red motorbike. And so the child will get a sticker, and it will find the sticker that comes next. And they put the blue sticker, the blue car. But this one is the airplane, the boat, a helicopter, another type of boat, and then they have the airplane. So they will try to find the sticker that comes next. So what comes next will be the blue and orange boat. And they will put it on their line. And you can also give them their own center strips and some more stickers and allow them to make their own patterns on center strips. The next activity will be pet graphing. And you will ask your students what pets they like. And you will let the students have stickers, or you can have them cut out their favorite sticker out of magazines, pictures out of magazines of their favorite pets. And then we allow them to stick it on the graph. And once everyone has stuck their favorite pet on the graph, then we will graph it. And we ask the students to count which pet has the most, which pet has the least, which pets have the same. And this will be the pet graphing game. The next game will be Flying Through the Stars. So for this game, the teacher will write problems on the board. So 5 plus 2, and allow the student who gets the right answer, or allow them to raise their hand so you wouldn't have confusion in your classroom, and allow them to raise their hand, and the person who has the right answer will come up and they will count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And they will place their spaceship on the number 7, the 7th star on the center strips. Each child will have their own spaceship of different colors, and each child should be allowed to have their own turn to count. The next game will be the teddy bear game. And for this one, the teacher will write the number on the board. So the teacher will say, I have 2 bears that want honey. So the students would put 2 bears in their honey bowl to go with the number that's on the board. My next game will be a puzzle. In the puzzle, the students would find the number 1, and they would take the number 1, and they would find the dot that corresponds with the number 1, and they will hook it together. That's one piece. That's one puzzle piece. The number 3, they will find the number 3. Connect it together. Number 2, and connect it together. And that is the end of my puzzle game, and that is the end of the toolbox math. Thank you.